Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Faiza with you with the new lesson of Tajweed. Inshallah, in this lesson, I will tell you that in Arabic alphabets, there are some letters that have both sounds thick and thin, and sometimes we pronounce them as thick sound and sometimes we pronounce them as thin sound. So what are the places when we have to make thin sound and what are the places when we have to make thick sound? We'll check in this lesson. Let's start. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي واجعل لي وزيرا من أهلي اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. Okay, so basically in Arabic alphabets there are three letters alif, lam and ra. Sometimes we make thick sounds of these three letters and sometimes we make thin sound of these letters. So first of all we look at the alif one, how we have to pronounce it with thin sound and how we'll pronounce the thick sound. Okay, whenever you see there is a letter before the alif that has a thin sound, you will make the thin sound of alif. Like maliki, this is maliki. We are not making thick sound of alif. We are just making maliki. Tabu, tabu. See, mim alif zabar ma, lam zed li, kaf zed ki, maliki. Ta alif zabar ta, ba waw pesh bu, tabu. Mim zabar ma, fa alif zabar fa. Mafa, zadu zabazan, mafazan, ba ra pesh bur, ha alif zabaha, burha, nun do pesh nun, burhanun. We are not making thick sounds of alif just because all the previous words letters are thin sounds. Fa alif zabar fa, kaf zed ki, fa ki. Ha zabar ha, fa ki ha, ta do ze tin, fa ki ha tin, kho alif zabar kho, lam ze li, kholi, dal waw pesh du, kholidu, noon zabar na, kholiduna. Now you see, this is the green color letter kho. It shows it has a thick sound, the kho one, and we are making thick sound of alif as well. Kho, we are not saying kha. Kha is the thin sound, and kho is the thick sound. And with kho letter, we are making thick sound of alif as well. Kholiduna. Now look at this one. Sod alif zabar so, we are making thick sound of alif as well just because of this sod has thick sound. Sobiran, sobiran, sobiran. Then dhahikatun, dhad alif zabar dha, ha zir hi, dhahi, kaf zabar ka, ta do pesh tun, ضاحكة ضاحكة. Then طا ألف زبر طا, لام زير لي, طالي, با پیش بو, طالبو, ضا ألف زبر ضا, لام زير لي, ضالي, ميم يا زير مي, ظالمي, نون زبر نا, ظالمين. غين ألف زبر غا, شين زير شي, غاشي, يا زبر يا, تا دو پیش تن, غاشية غاشية. يا پیش يو, قاف ألف زبر قا, يو قا, لام واو پیش لو, yuqalu, noon zabanna, yuqaluna. See, all letters have ka, gha, dha, these sounds as well. But these are the wrong one sounds. We can't pronounce them like this because all letters have thick sounds and we have to make thick sound, and the alif will also become the thick sound, like ho, so, wo, po, zo, go, ko. This is. I hope so that you understand all the sounds and how to pronounce them. Simple rule is that whenever you see a thick letter and there is alif with them, so make thick sound of both letters, the thick letter sound and alif as well thick. Okay. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.